After 2 years in development, we are finally proud to announce the Urban Combat Filter. So, the Urban Combat Filter is designed to optimize the contrast of your image and can dramatically improve visibility and clarity, specifically in urban, industrial, or any mixed lighting environment. To install the filter, it just simply threads onto the objective lens of your device. It's a 30mm thread, so the filter is specifically designed for PVS-14 style optics. So once the filter is installed, what kind of performance can you expect? One of the primary benefits of the Urban Combat Filter is that it can significantly reduce lens flare and bloom. You'll notice from the image, the Urban Combat Filter just cuts through the photonic barriers in this scene. This in turn allows for superior clarity and detail. Another feature of our filter is going to be the halo suppression. You will notice from the filter, a couple of the light sources have been suppressed quite a bit, leaving you with a much more usable image. Moving on, the Urban Combat Filter can reduce image burn caused by artificial lighting significantly. But with that being said, we still don't recommend staring at bright light sources for too long. Next, one of my favorite features of the UCF is the red dot suppression. Typically, when operating under nods, the user is going to run their red dot on its lowest possible setting, or in its night vision mode if your red dot is night vision compatible. So what the Urban Combat Filter does is it allows you to run your red dot at a much higher brightness. So if you have to come off these nods and transition to white light, your reticle will be at a much more usable brightness. One thing I did want to note is IR light in general, especially your IR devices such as your lasers, are not going to be affected by the filter and will continue to perform as intended. So one final thing, understand your performance is going to depend on what kind of artificial lighting your environment has. That can be LED, halogen, fluorescent, infrared, or high pressure sodium lights. All of these lights will have different effects. And of course, the UCF being primarily designed for high and mixed lit environments, you can see a reduction in gain in lower light scenes. But with our experience testing the Urban Combat Filter, we have noticed most tubes will still have a fair amount of performance in these environments.